Welcome back for another episode of Bird Blitz. Let's see what's in the backyard. Backyard birding is one of the easiest ways to get into birds. No long hike needed. Just a good view, a little patience, and a few minutes to listen. Let's see who shows up today. The rose-breasted grosbeak. It's a fairly common eastern North American bird with a large pale bill. Males are black and white with a red triangle on the chest, while females and young birds are streaky brown with a bold wing markings. It's a long-distance migrant, spending summers in eastern North America and winters in Central and South America. Males and females both help with nesting duties, and males may even sing while sitting on the nest. Do you love birds? Subscribe for more backyard birding, feeder visitors, and quick ID tips from the field. Don't forget to hit that alert button for more content. The chipping sparrow is a small, common sparrow with a bright rufous crown, a crisp white eyebrow, and a thin black eye line in the breeding plumage. It's a very familiar bird in Maine because it does well around yards, parks, edges, and other open places with trees. Its song is a fast, dry trill of a repeated chip notes. It often forages on the ground for seeds and insects and will also visit the bird feeders. Stay a while and subscribe for more birds. Plenty more birds will show up soon. The house finch is a very common backyard bird with cheerful warbling songs and a red, orange, or yellow wash on the male's heads and chests. It's a highly adaptable species that now lives across much of North America and is a regular visitor to bird feeders. The white-breasted nuthatch is a small, stocky, year-round bird with a white face and underparts, gray, blue back, and a black cap in males. It's famous for climbing down tree trunks head first and for its loud nasal calls. Many other species of animals visit my bird feeder, so here's one for you. Chipmunks are small, striped members of the squirrel family, and most species live in North America. They're active in daytime, stash food in the cheek pouches, and spend cold months in their dens or hibernating. If you're enjoying these bird and wildlife sightings, then consider subscribing today to see more content. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. The eastern cottontail is a classic backyard bunny, a small rabbit with long ears and a gray-brown coat, and a fluffy white tail. The white-tailed deer is a common deer most people see in North America. It gets its name from the bright white underside of its tail, which it flashes upward when alarmed. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you on the next one.